Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. So today I cooked some delicious perfect Nigerian jollof rice. So let's get into the process together step by step. So I had the following ready with me: the minced onion, the Maggi spice, garlic powder, thyme leaves, curry powder, scotch bonnet pepper, some Royco cubes, some fresh thyme leaves, some fresh bay leaves, some salt, chicken, parboiled rice, some bell peppers or pepper, it depends how you pronounce it. And then I mix the onion, the Maggi spice, the garlic powder, the thyme leaves, curry powder, scotch bonnet pepper, the bay leaves, salt, thyme leaves, Royco cubes into the chicken. I mix it very well and then I let it cook for some time. I then spray my baking tray. I put all my peppers, garlic, and I spray on top and bake on a high heat for 10 minutes. I later on washed all my rice with salt just to make sure it is well clean. So I later on put my vegetable oil on the pot, put oil, onion, thyme leaves, and some hot pepper, and put all my chicken until it was golden brown like that. I then remove all those onions and I blended them together with the baked peppers just for the soup. Here we go. After I put everything in the blender, I blended them until it was well smooth. And then I put 360 ml of vegetable oil in a pot and put some onion. And then I mix it very well until it was well cooked, and then I added the 300 ml of tomato paste. Make sure if you want to try, you put this on a medium heat so that it doesn't burn. I cooked this for 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes I added all the blended pepper and then continued mixing it very well. Then added turmeric powder, thyme leaves, Maggi powder, white pepper, curry powder, bay leaves. I mix it very well and then I added another 120 ml of vegetable oil. Later on, I sieved the chicken stock and then I put all the rice and mixed it very well and added all the chicken stock. I also added 1 cup of water, then mix it very well and cover it with a foil paper and let it simmer for 30 minutes. This was almost 15 minutes. I turn it around and then I recovered it, and then that was the final results. Look at that. That was so nice and delicious. Looks how juicy it looks. It was ready to serve. If you have any question, any idea on making jollof rice, please let me know in the comment section below.